So the first thing you guys are gonna do is you're gonna take out your notes from yesterday, and there's a piece of it at the very end where I made a giant boo-boo about the acceleration, positive, negative, and zero. And I thank my physics people for speaking up and reminding me that I had lost my mind and wasn't thinking about that right. So, just go fix up this last part from yesterday's notes, when they're talking about acceleration being positive, negative, or zero. Acceleration is the derivative of the velocity function. So when you think about that, we're talking slopes of the velocity graph then. It's the derivative of the velocity function. So where the velocity graph is showing positive slope, the acceleration is positive. Where the velocity graph is showing negative slope, the acceleration then is negative. When the velocity graph is showing a zero slope, then the acceleration graph, or the acceleration is zero. So, it's the derivative of the velocity function, so looking back up, everywhere that this demonstrates positive slope, we have positive acceleration. So between 0 and 4 seconds in that interval, so fix yours up. Along with the other places that it demonstrates positive slope would be between 0 and, we estimated that yesterday at about 26. So from about 20 to 26, union. Along with, and then it's got positive slope from about 32 to 36 seconds. Everywhere the graph of the velocity is showing negative slope, that's where the acceleration is negative. So for this part of the graph that I'm putting up in green, okay, for this part of the graph, we've got negative slope going on that curve. There is a point where it sort of has inflection for a second, so between 8 and 20 is where that's demonstrating its negative acceleration. And then the final part is where its acceleration, or the rate of change of its velocity, stayed the same, and that's going to be between 4 and 8 seconds. So fix that up, add that in there. We're going to do another one like it in the second part, where that fixes up yesterday's, and then we'll do another one sort of like it so that you get that idea reinforced.